Did a software update break the GLFW Graphics Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's fix the library mismatch and get GLFW Project running again. Before we begin our GLFW Graphics Library walkthrough, you can try the suggested utility to help clear environment conflicts and save time. This is the GLFW Graphics Library. It provides an API for window creation, context management, and input handling. It is a mandatory dependency for many modern indie games and 3D graphics tools. Missing Glfw.dll results in the host application failing to create a rendering context, leading to an immediate failed to open GLFW window error. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. Because GLFW Graphics Library DLL is a proprietary component linked to the GLFW Project system, a standard Windows repair will not find it, so you must reinstall the program where the error occurred to replace the file. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the GLFW graphics library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. To resolve deep-seated driver errors, you should perform a clean install by first wiping your system with Display Driver Uninstaller and then running the latest GPU setup. This process resets the communication between your hardware and the OS, while deploying a fresh copy of your DLL file to your local directory. Why are we doing this? Well, a basic driver reinstall rarely clears the persistent file conflicts that cause these errors, so a total wipe is necessary to re-establish system stability. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Installing an unverified version of GLFW Graphics Library DLL is one of the most common ways to accidentally bypass your system's built-in security firewall. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. Review options for a smoother Windows environment by consulting the diagnostic kit linked below for GLFW Graphics Library references. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for GLFW Graphics Library or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.